Good morning, everybody. This is Wednesday, November 2nd, and that interest rate day. I never used to pay over the years too much attention to news and stuff. Most of it's discounted, but with the inflation going on, ravaging us, and it seems like the Fed, these type of meetings can have more of an effect on the market than normal. I guess they're expecting the 3/4 rate hike today. So what am I looking at right now? SPX is down as we speak, around 9:30-ish Central Time. SPX is down 24 points, and VIX as we speak is about 26.38. It's dropped off quite a bit. And, we're right near the 50-day moving average, 38.23. Normally on days like this for range-bound trades, I'll wait till the end of the day because, when the Fed comes out, there's kind of jostling back and forth, and sometimes it could go up and then go down. And the reality is the big move could be more Friday. So it just seems for the range bound trades, for the most part, I would be on the sidelines more. If you wanted to do small, I think I'll show you an idea, which I think would be fine. But I think why play? It's like not a favorable time. It's like, you're at the ocean with your kids and you say, well, they really want to swim. I like to swim. There's a shark about 200 yards out. Waves are a little high. I really want to swim. Is it worth it to take that risk? No. And I think it's very similar here. There's some positives here, and I think it will continue. The ATR is trending lower. What is that? It's the average true range. It takes the difference between the high and the low of SPX every day. You generally want that trending down for range-bound traders, which it has been. Obviously, if you're a range-bound trader, you want more of a tighter range than SPX moving all over the place. Implied volatilities have come down quite a bit over the last couple weeks, from over 30 to 26, getting more in the normal range that we're used to. I don't have a direct opinion on which way we're going. The reality is we're still, we're still 1,000 points, right? We're still 1,000 points off the high of January 1st, right? At the beginning of the year, which is, we're still almost 21% off, right? Even though we've rallied up a couple hundred points in the last week or so. So, I talked about a speculative trade yesterday, and it seems to be where my mind is more. There's three parts of the portfolio. You've got the range bound of your options portfolio. That's your butterflies, calendars, iron condors, double diagonals, more range bound based on probabilities and based on some type of range, right? You could say we've been in a range, but you're getting some big candles here. So I kind of wait on the range bound, even though what I have a problem doing, maybe longer term, 30, 45-day iron condors, butterflies, probably short Vega trades of still, even though the vols have come down, I would still come from the short Vega side mostly, maybe a few calendars, but I'd wait a little bit. And if I did do anything today, it would be towards the last 15, 20 minutes, because I'd like to be pretty well centered in the middle in case there's a gap tomorrow, because usually Friday can be a move. Now, You have the long portfolios, the other part of the portfolio, which would be more your neutral to bullish over time type positions, your covered rights, cash secured puts, long diagonals. Those are long delta. So, if with the market still down 21%, I might do some hedged long diagonals, like covered rights type trades to get a little long delta if there's some stocks that I really like their price levels. If you like Apple at 149 or Tesla at 225 or whatever your flavor is, I wouldn't have a problem getting a little bit long delta, but that's a longer term perspective. That's not a short term spec play. And then obviously your spec, this is tailor made for, what do you think is going to happen? You think there's going to be a big move, small move, up or down? Yesterday, we focused a little bit on that, but these are the three parts of the portfolio that we pick pieces out of. I normally do this one, more range bound, but these are important parts of the portfolio that we play also. So anyways, just for today, just didn't get into a strategy, but just talked a little bit of overall perspective. Again, check out our website, SheridanMentoring.com. We got a couple interesting, very practical classes because we do a lot of live trading as well as teaching, that kind of combination. Monday and Wednesday, we'll start our short-term strategies class. Monday and Wednesday, and Tuesday and Thursday are November 3K, where we go in there and put on live trades, show you how we pick trades on a daily basis with the plan to make 3K on 25K, which comes out to about 3% a trade, and it's based on more turnover. But if you'd like information, go to our website. This is a little perspective on trading a complete options portfolio today. Thank you.